Welcome to today's Movies Tonight. On this week's show, we're going to talk to Maurice about his latest release, Anything Under the Sun.
It's great to be here, Roberta.
What made you want to make a film about anything?
Well, I found that no one had really explored the subject of anything. I saw an opportunity and I ran with it.
That's a very interesting concept. Let's have a look at the newly released teaser for the film. Well, that will get them cheering in the streets. Thank you for joining today's Movies Tonight. Goodbye, and until next time.